Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today we're going to create from this ordinary white paper, we're going to transform it into a lovely vintage paper. It looks like a parchment. It's coffee or tea colored paper, and some still have some little cracks in it. What makes it look very old as well, and it's not so difficult to create, so let's get started. What I did was just a big um, uh, bowl and use some hot water, and I found in a closet some very old coffee, but you can make it of course from new coffee as well. This is it was 6-year-old coffee, and it had a lot of lumps and clumps and things. And if you use coffee, stir it very well. And but you can make it, of course, of new coffee or used coffee. That's also possible if you keep the coffee and um, make the coffee cups. You cut it open or something like that. That's all possible. And the darker the color, of course, then the darker the paper you get. And I have to use this as well, otherwise I have a lot of lumps in it. And I did it in the kitchen, of course, because it can go wrong. And now the easy part, that's just putting some paper in it. Do it by one. That's best. And then, or not immediately 4 or 5 sheets at once, but you can put 4 or 5 sheets in total in the water, but do it calmly so that they can the paper can really get wet and get the colors. Is it difficult to do? No, it's not. Can it go wrong? Yes, it can go wrong, and that will happen when you take the papers out, because wet paper is, of course, always very thin and can crack very easily. And you can do it by tea bags as well, especially, of course, black tea. But tea is much lighter and the color is thinner. Well, this is the part where it can go wrong. I left it in for 3-4 minutes. And now the wet paper is really difficult to get out, but it can crack very easily. So that's the thing you need to be prepared of. But it's really nicely colored. And then I put it just on an old-fashioned thing for your laundry. And let's just have to dry for a few minutes. And this is where I started. Then after a while it's getting hard, and it still smells to coffee. And if it doesn't smell, then it's the tea paper. But it's really lovely to see. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye!